I designed these mudcloth mask pen sets in 3 colors, black, blue, and red. The first step was to cut them on my Glowforge. This set is available for purchase, and you will receive this video to give you instructions for assembly. This is the second part where before I cut and engraved my wood, I put masking tape over it. And the purpose of the masking tape was so that I could paint easily and have my 2 separate colors, and then remove the masking tape, and I would have my design painted the way I want it to. Attach the pen back to the pen by using E6000. Squeeze some E6000 on the back part of your pen, and then once you have it there, just apply it to the top part of your mask pen. Let it dry. To use your converter, open up your pen and slide the converter over the pen, and then close the pen. This pen has the converter already attached. Once you have the converter attached, just take whatever stringing method you have and just slide your string through the loop, and then you have a pendant or necklace. To attach the ear wires, you just open the little teeth. They're usually open at, and then just insert them into the hole at the top of the earring. Squeeze it, and then use your pliers to squeeze it again. The links are in the description if you want to pick this set up. It comes in a set of 3. Also, I have just the set done for you in another link. I'll provide that as well. If you have questions about putting this together, contact me at sherry@sherikaoriginals.com.